Yep, see? He won't scratch you. Yeah.
Oh, I'm fine with scratching.
That's a little bit.
Where are you going? Well guys, I'm here before anyone else. I decided to come early because last night I realized I might be making a big mistake by letting all this old growth lumber go into the dump. A lot of this stuff you can't even get anymore. Well, not this stuff, but the stuff underneath it. So I'm going to go through here and I'm going to take as much as I can. Because this is from anywhere from 1903 or 1905 or 1914 or something like that. Depending on which edition it came from. Some of you might think I'm crazy, but there actually are benefits to old growth wood from what I understand. This older wood from the early 1900s actually has denser rings and it's stronger. So building standards have to keep getting where they have shorter and shorter spans, because modern wood is just softer and softer, because basically we trick modern trees into growing really fast, and so the rings are really stretched out. But this old stuff had centuries to grow. It's a shame we cut it all down, but now that we have this wood, it'd be a shame to throw it away, because after all, it's just a few holes that's in it. Some of them are a little messed up, but I'll get the good ones. I think that the carpenters and the woodworkers in my audience will definitely be able to clue me in on more good things about this old wood. Or maybe I am crazy. Maybe I'm just wasting my time. But I would love to hear what you guys think, if I should definitely keep this old wood, which I think I should, because you just can't get it anymore. It's from 1903. I mean, so it was probably planted like, or no, it wasn't planted. It was just a tree that was growing since like the 17 or 1600s. That's pretty cool. It's really strong too. I like it. Pretty good. How are you?
Okay, I guess.
I'm collecting all the old growth wood for old projects and whatnot.
Huh?
I'm collecting a lot of the old growth wood for like building a shed and stuff like that.
Oh man, you got a job there to take all them stinking nails out of there.
I can do it. It'll take some time. I figure here, I'll go ahead and get all the small ones on top of here so I don't have to paint them up.
Well, some of them's a booger like them big ones.
Mm-hmm.
A booger to get out.
Yeah, well, some of them I might just cut off the ends and use like 1 foot sections. I'm not really sure. Are you the person in charge of scrapping all the iron and stuff like that out of the building? Yeah. Do you still have like the big pipe from the boiler? Or did you scrap all the boiler stuff?
Yeah, we scrapped all the boiler stuff.
Okay, well, I'm the one that salvaged some of the parts off of the boiler because I'm going to be making another boiler for...
Yeah, that's what John was saying.
Yeah, for my steam engine projects. And if you ever find a, like a big gas pipe, like from like an oil pipeline or something like that, it's like a foot round, like really nice and thick pipe, it's like maybe that big, just so I can make like the outer shell of a boiler, like a small one for my steam engines, I'd buy it.
Okay.
Just FYI. Because I have all this stuff to go around and in the boiler, but I just don't have a nice like shell for the boiler yet. I might find an old I might just get like an old oxygen cylinder or something like that and use that as the boiler, but it is a bit narrow, you know what I mean, for a boiler. A boiler usually want to have a little stout, and then you have a bunch of fire tubes going through it.
Yeah.
So I heard that the boiler actually comes apart into pieces.
Yeah.
Wow. I like.
Yeah, come apart and about the boiler stuff inside there, it come apart in about 9 or 10 pieces.
That is so cool.
And then all the panels come off. And
because I'm only used to working with old boilers from like the 1930s that are like just these huge riveted behemoths.
And that inside, man, it was like, that inside was of the boiler was like trying to pick up these here.
Yeah.
Or one of these dumpsters.
Oh, I don't doubt that, but
it's heavy.
at least it's not one big chunk though, right?
No.
Yeah, so that's better at least. A little
We had to
bit.
take it out from there in pieces on a 2-wheel dolly.
Yeah. Oh, also, I have a bunch of metal junk at home that I don't want anymore. If I brought it here, would you take it?
Sure.
Okay, cool.
That'd be no problem.
I'll set it up like I'll set.
it.
Yeah. Well, tonight we're bringing the trailer to get the wood, so we might just we might bring
Yeah,
some
because
metal over.
I check in every once in a while, come over and check these here, see if anybody threw any metal in here, and the other one, and then long here I check too, see if they threw anything out.
So I'm going to get a lot of the bigger nails whenever we go home. So I'm going to get a lot of the bigger nails whenever we get this stuff home. But for now, we've got all the plaster slat nails off, all the tiny ones. So I consider that done. The dumpster is cleared. You know, this platform is actually pretty nice. I'm pretty happy with this. I'm making sure to step sideways though, because I don't want to put all my weight on any particular one. Although I do not doubt that a good board could definitely support my weight, because they're a lot more sturdy than regular 2x4s. It's actually really nice. Oh man. Now we're at the time, actually no, we're still an hour before normally whenever I get here. Or 2 hours, I'm not sure, I haven't checked the time. So yeah, let's start the video now. I didn't realize I'd gotten that much. Well, that's still pretty cool. Well, I am really happy with that. Let's go inside and help them and grab a few more boards. Well guys, Sam Garrett suggested to spray water on all the things to keep the dust down. That's actually a good idea, so let's do that. And there just happens to be a spray bottle right. Oh, that's a lot of dust around it. So let's fill that with water and see what happens. Look at that. Actually sprays quite a bit compared to the ones you would get for home use. Kind of the point where we're all going to be wearing masks and goggles now because we're getting into the thick of it. You know, it wasn't so bad before. Now it's just terrible. Oh, and keep in mind, we still haven't found any asbestos, so that's good. No asbestos yet. Well, we just had a little bit of an incident. Accidentally shorted out this stray power connector. So I put tape over the circuit breaker and now I'm going to neutralize this.
You keep your Swiss Army knife with you all the time too?
Yeah, ever since I was 12.
Yeah. I wish I could. Yeah.
Why not?
Well, school.
Why not?
Well, I could keep it in my bag and I probably would never get caught.
What do you mean caught? It's a pocket
Oh, you're
tool.
not allowed to take a knife to school.
It's a pocket tool.
Yeah, still.
That's retarded.
Yeah, pretty much.
Don't go to that school then.
I don't have too much of a choice. Well, Hillsborough has some other good parts.
Everyone has a choice about everything they do. Just
I guess that is true, but
don't do something because you say you don't have a choice. Do something because of the choices you have, it's the best choice. Or the least bad, you know.
yeah.
That's my opinion.
I like being at that school with my friends.
No, that's good enough then.
Yeah.
But you don't have to have a knife on your pocket tool.
That's true.
They sell ones that don't have knives. It's fine. Take that outside, throw it in the dumpster. Well guys, we are pretty much done for today. At least I am, because I'm a little tired.
That is so cool.
What?
Is that a gyroscope?
Oh, it's a gimbal, so I can like, it's
That is so cool.
It's
a what is it?
It's a gimbal. It smooths out the video, so it's not annoying video.
That is just so cool.
Anyway, so we have everything pretty much finished. I think I'll leave you guys to do anything else because I'm tired.
Sounds good.
See ya.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.